to today's video. I'm about to head off to a cafe, so I'm gonna change out of my current pajamas into my going out pajamas. This is my very comfy outfit. It's literally just a different sweatshirt and sweatpants. Your girl needs to be comfy if she is planning on studying for hours. Let's get a little bit of makeup on and get ready to head to that cafe. Also, just wanted to say hi guys and welcome to today's video. You guys probably already saw by the title, but it is a very big week. It is finals week, and if you guys are kind of up to date with me, I am a senior at Pepperdine and I am graduating a little bit early. So these are actually the last finals I will be taking ever, which is still pretty insane. It is Monday and I have finals basically until Wednesday, but Wednesday is my very heaviest day. Today I only have one final at 7:30 p.m. so I am trying to use these first 2 days to also continue studying. I actually wasn't planning on filming this video because I just knew I was going to be really busy studying and stuff and didn't know if I was going to have the energy to focus on filming at the same time as studying. But I feel like this always happens. I end up getting a second wind and being like, this is literally my last chance to film my finals ever in life. These are the last finals I will ever be taking. I should document it. We'll see if this was a mistake. Hopefully not. But it's also crazy because right after I finish these finals, I have like one free day and then I have to pack everything up and drive back up to Washington, which I definitely haven't really processed that either. I feel really cozy and at home here in my apartment. I think it's gonna make me so sad to have to empty it out. But I am not gonna lie, I think I'm just really excited to be done with these finals, and then realistically it's probably gonna hit me after. But I also realistically think that since I'm graduating a semester early and I don't actually walk until the end of the spring full year of college, I probably won't truly feel like I've graduated until I've actually like graduated. Anyways, that's all we're gonna do for makeup today. I am really hungry, so I think I'm gonna go eat a little something for breakfast, but I'm shortly heading to a cafe to study today. I just like to switch up where I do my studying, and I've been studying in my room all weekend. Let's go make a little breakfast. I do have one final at 7:30. I honestly dread having the evening finals. I mean, I think they're nice because you get more time during the day to study. I like to study a little bit before my test, but I think my optimal time for finals like maybe 10 a.m. Like I just like to get it over with and then have the rest of the day to study for the next thing. But I also have absolutely no say in this, so it's okay. If I had a say, I wouldn't have 4 finals in one day on Wednesday. Too well playing in the background. Guys, really dreading this evening test right now. It's about 6 p.m. and I'm gonna go to school a little bit early so I can do a bit of a refresher before I take my exam, which is at 7:30. This is the first exam of my very last final season and I don't know why. Like, it's low-key embarrassing, but I've taken so many big tests and finals in my life, but I still get nervous for them. Like, why am I a little nervous right now? But anyways, I'm so sleepy. And the other thing is, after this final, I have to come home and sleep so quick because the next day I have to wake up at like 6 for my next final, which I don't even want to think about right now. I'm really excited to get this one out of the way. Hopefully it goes okay. It's my marketing final. It's more like written, and my other 2 business upper div finals are like math. It's like econ and quantitative analysis, so it's math. Let's go take our very first final of this final season. So I just finished my first final. I feel a weight was lifted off my shoulders. I'm not gonna say it felt like it went well because, to be quite honest, it didn't feel great, but I'm so like, once I'm done with a test, I'm at least happy that I'm done with it. So I need to go home and sleep because it's 9 right now
and I have to wake up early tomorrow. Let's drive home and try to go to sleep as soon as possible. Tomorrow's tests, actually no, it kind of goes in order. This one I was like the least nervous about. They go up in value, I guess. This one was worth 15%, tomorrow's worth 30, and Wednesdays is worth 40. So the 40% day I might be a mess, but right now I'm just happy it's done and I'm tired. So let's go home.
Hello guys, good morning. It's very bright and early. Let's try to get ready really quick so that I can get some studying in before my test at 7:30. I don't know what happened. I'm so bad at sleeping, but I genuinely think I got 2 or 3 hours of sleep last night, even though I was in bed so early. I like could not sleep. I don't know what happened, but hopefully I'm okay today. Another comfy finals outfit. It's gonna look like it's still yesterday because I'm wearing the same hoodie, but it is definitely a hoodie and sweatpants kind of week. I get really embarrassed if my stomach's making noise, which I swear it's making noise like 70% of the time. It's just like hard to focus if you're like thinking about food. So I'm gonna eat a little bit of yogurt. What the heck? I can't deal with this.
So we made it out the door semi on time, but now I have to defrost my car. I feel like this is just something I definitely didn't think I'd have to deal with in California, but here we are. I will see you guys either at school or if I'm studying, I will see you after this test. But at least this cold is waking me the frick up. It's so cold. Just finished our quant final. We were taking it for a full like 2.5 hours, and now I'm dragging Pin with me to go look for a planner because I want nothing more than to just retail therapy a teeny tiny bit, but like productively. So I'm looking for a planner. You know how like in college I use my Google planner? Is that what it's called? Google Planner? Yeah, that. I feel like I would prefer to use a paper planner, but it's just not realistic for college.
You know what you should do though?
What? Bullet journal?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
used to in like high school.
I feel like you would be so good at it.
It's like a lot of work.
True.
But it is like fun. I want a scrapbook.
True.
Like physically scrapbook.
So many things you can do. I think I want a ball of sunlight.
Yeah.
Guys, I just made it to Sweet Green. I'm gonna pick up some food because, you know, finals, haven't really had a whole lot of time to cook for myself. I've been craving some like more nutritious food because I've been eating junk during this finals week. So I'm gonna pick up a salad and go home and continue my studying there. This is not great, but I get these like urges for things, and I guess today my urge was a papier planner to reward myself for taking my exam. They did not have the one I wanted at Fred Siegel, so I think I'm gonna look online. Let's go get a salad. Guys, I am so excited to eat this. I just get the harvest bowl, but has apples, wild rice, chicken, kale, goat cheese, balsamic. I think that's everything. This is like my favorite salad ever.
some very important things. Never looking at that again. Get rid of this. I did this. Thank goodness. Oh my gosh, I did this too. This was today. So this is all we have. Let's do a little update on the spreadsheet too. It still looks like there's a lot. But after tomorrow, this will all be gone. This is the planner I was searching for today that I couldn't find. I'm probably gonna order this, and I might even look for some gifts while I'm here.
I cannot believe today is my last day of school ever. I guess technically it was last week since this week is final, so I don't know if you would consider this school, but I guess I kind of do. I swear I have like 3 hairstyles. On big test day, I do prefer to have a hair tie or a clip in my hair so that I can be zoned in. Today is definitely the longest day ahead of me. I have 1 test, but I have 4 like final periods. I do the air quotes because majority of them aren't actual finals. But Pepperdine, I genuinely don't know why they do this. They require all professors to have final periods. So even if you just have like a final project, you can't not have your students come for the allotted 2.5 hours. Unnecessary, maybe. This is my last day of school / college ever outfit. Very basic. I'll see you guys when I get to school. Okay guys, so I'm not complaining, but this final was supposed to be 7:30 to like 10. He changed it from 9 to 10. He emailed us like 15 minutes before class being like, I'm not gonna make it. I have a substitute coming. And then our final was literally like a reflection. Like I left in 10 minutes. I'm not complaining because now I have more time to study the library, and we are just gonna study for econ. It's like 9:30 now, and my next test isn't until 1, and then from 1 to like 10 I have all my tests back to back. But let's get to studying. I just finished up at the library. I'm gonna give myself a nice long lunch break because sometimes if I study too much before the test, I'll just be so brain dead for the actual test that I just won't do well. So I'm trying to avoid that. I think I might take myself off campus. Obviously I packed my lunch. This is like my leftover sweet green from yesterday. This looks so good. I'm gonna eat some of this, but I think I might go browse nearby. A little bookstore by me that's new that I've actually been wanting to check out. Not that I need any more books. And then my test is at 1:30, so I'm gonna try to get back and be at my test location by like 12:30 because I like to refresh a little bit right up until the point. I just gobbled down my sweet green. Let's go to Sephora. I want to get hand lotion. I also just found a random gift card I had in my email. So girl math, I have free money and I want hand lotion. Surprisingly did not end up buying anything, but I browsed some books, and honestly I just so many books that I should read, and the fact that I don't know how much space I have going home is stopping me from buying more stuff, which is probably a good thing. But that's a cute little bookstore that just opened up, and I always love looking around bookstores. Didn't have the lotion I wanted, which honestly that's fine, but I need to go back to school and study a little bit before my test. I have about an hour still, so I'm doing pretty good on time. Wish me luck for this big test. I think I'm gonna feel so relieved after it, but honestly maybe it's because I already have 2 out of 3 of my big tests done. I'm not stressing that much. I don't know if this is a good sign or not. This is kind of unusual for me. Usually I'm freaking out about my test, but I do have this
this book. I picked this up a couple weeks ago. I'm actually doing a little like presentation thingy on it for one of my other classes. So I might read a couple pages of this before I head into econ. Hey guys, so it's been a little bit since I last updated you. Don't mind this like atrocious, scary, dark lighting. I am in my car. It is officially 6 p.m. So, you know, that means it's like pitch black outside. I just finished my third final of the day. It was for my nonprofit class. We had like a little presentation and then food and stuff. I just have one more final left for the day and for the semester and my entire college career, which is very crazy. And this last one is for Hume. So it's not even like a business final and it's not even really a final. We're just supposed to present on a little book. I showed you guys my book earlier. Other than that though, my econ final actually, it felt like it went pretty well. I don't want to jinx it, but I felt like I did it a lot faster. Like I really grinded through those 7 econ problems, which I'm just glad that I can empty that out of my brain now. I'm feeling very relieved and I want to go home and eat ice cream. I think I'm gonna read a little bit. I'm gonna organize my Spotify playlist and I will catch you guys when I'm done with all of my finals. Hey guys, I am so pooped. I'm clearly back home. I got back at like 9:30. I am completely finished with all my finals, which is really insane to think about. Today was a really long day, so all I want is to wash up, eat some 10 p.m. dinner, and sleep with no alarm. But yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for joining me. It was a bit of a stressful week and it was a very busy work week, the end of an era, and I'm so happy I brought you guys along with me. Fingers crossed that my grades turn out okay. But thank you guys again so much for joining me. I'm wishing you all the best. I'm sure your finals are probably done by now, but I'm wishing you the best with wherever you are. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video, whatever I'm doing now that it's not school. Bye guys. Look at this. You did it. It's so sweet. Aww. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, how sentimental. Where'd you get these photos from?
I got some input, I got some help. That day.
That day.